Welcome back. In the last task, we covered how to add user interface elements to your mobile screen. You also created icons by drawing and grouping shapes together, and you created reusable components for your design, and you used the text tool to add and style text elements to your screen. By the end of this task, you will learn how to add UI element components like the ones you created in the previous task from Figma UI Kits. This will save you time when creating user interface designs. A UI kit is a collection of pre-built components that can be used in your design. UI kits or user interface kits help you improve your design workflow. They also encourage recycling components instead of creating new ones from scratch. They are commonly used for mobile UI or web design and prototyping. iOS and Android, which are the two of the largest mobile operating systems, have well-documented UI kits that are used to create prototypes of apps for these systems. However, there are several UI kits which are available on the internet for you to use in your work. Now, we're going to look for a UI kit and use it to add components to our work. From the main menu, navigate to the plugins and select Browse plugins in Community. A new tab will open showing you all the plugins and resources designed by the Figma community for you. In the search bar, type Mobile Wireframe UI Kit and click on the search icon. The Mobile Wireframe UI Kit is a low fidelity UI kit containing UI elements that can be easily replicated in your design. Once the file appears on your screen, click on it to open the file. Once the file appears and is fully loaded on your screen, navigate to the duplicate button on the right side of your screen and click on it to duplicate it. The UI kit will open in a new Figma file containing elements that you can now import into your design. Now let's examine this UI kit. The Mobile Wireframe UI Kit is one of several low-fidelity UI kits you can use for your work. In this file, you will find several pages that contain common UI elements and icons that you can use in your design. All you need to do is copy from this file to the file you are working on and change the dimensions. Let's do that now. We're going to create many options for our mobile app. Return to your original design file. Your mobile app will need to have a menu of options that your users frequently use on the home screen so that they can perform tasks easily without navigating away from the screen. We're going to create a menu and add it to the screen. Then we'll add icons to represent common tasks supported by the app. In the original file, click on the rectangle tool and navigate back to the screen. Draw a rectangle on the screen and align it to the bottom of the screen. Using the align tools, align it to the center and the bottom of the screen. Now change the color. Change the fill color to white by typing FFF, and clicking on enter. Then change the stroke color to gray by typing C4, C4, C4 and clicking on enter. There. Now navigate to the Figma UI Kits you opened in another tab. And on the Android page, zoom into the icons and symbols frame. To zoom into the icons and symbols frame, while selected, click on the Ctrl and plus key on your keyboard. If you have a mouse, you can scroll the mouse wheel to zoom in and zoom out. Select the heart icon and right-click on it to copy it. Navigate to the original design file and right-click to paste it. Drag the icon to the menu bar that you've just drawn. Now click on the text tool. Type favorites. Click on the move tool and drag the favorites that you just typed under the heart icon. Now we're going to add a search icon to the screen. Return to the UI kit and select the search icon. Right-click on it to copy it and return to the original design file you were working on. Right-click to paste. Move the search icon into the menu bar and click on the Align tools to ensure that it is aligned to the center of the page. While selected, select the Heart tool and align the bottom of both icons. Next, click on the Text tool and type Search. Then click on the Move tool. Move the text you typed to the bottom of the screen. Align it to the center of the page and align it to the text you typed earlier. You have added a search icon to your screen. Next, you're going to add a menu button to the screen and type library under the icon using the same steps I have just shown you. Navigate back to the UI kit and select the bento menu icon. Right-click to copy it. Return to your original design file and right-click to paste. Drag the icon to the menu bar. Select the text tool and type library. Select the move tools and move the text under the bento menu icon. Select the text that you just typed and select the search text and align the buttons. Now using the align tools, select all three icons and use the distribute tool to distribute them on your screen. Repeat the same step. Repeat the same step for the text underneath. Finally, at the top of the screen, I'm going to add a menu icon, but I will not write any text underneath. Most of your users are already familiar with digital products and can easily associate that icon with the menu functionality. Now while selecting the user avatar, I'm using the align tools to align them horizontally. With that, we have come to the end of this task. In this task, you learned how to find the Figma community and search for UI kits. You duplicated a low fidelity UI kit and added icons that have already been prepared for your use. You also created menu items and using elements from the UI kits, you added icons to your design. In the next task, you're going to practice all that you have learned so far by completing the screen design that you have been working on, drawing and adding elements to the home screen of a mobile app.